Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to download or update WhatsApp in Android. So let's get started. At first we need to go to Play Store. So here it is. Now we need to search for WhatsApp in the search bar and here it is. Now here we can see this install icon over here, and if we have already installed and our app needs some update, we can see update written over here. So let's install for now. Installation can take few minutes. We need to wait till the installation process completes. So we are done. Method is same if you want to update your app. So that is all we need to do to download or update WhatsApp app in our Android. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.